Okay, so it's going to look bent like this, and that's the problem that we're having.
Yes.
Okay, so how are we going to fix it?
Hi, this is Brian over at Old Thomas Tool. I'll show you today what happens if your spring falls out of the bottom of the trigger and gets bent. If it comes out to the side and then you squeeze it, it'll bend the spring and you won't be able to use it. So grab a pair of needle nose pliers and just work its way out, and you'll see that this spring is bent. And then take your new spring, grab it at the base with about 1/4 of an inch sticking out, and then you'll want to use your thumb to help hold it in the bottom, and then gently work it around without twisting it. It'll pop right in, and then your spring is good, ready to go.
Awesome, like new.